Hi there, today we will talk about how to grow taller. While taking good care of your body may help you grow taller, your height is mostly determined by your genetics. Once your growth plates are fused together, you will stop growing taller, which usually happens between the ages of 14 and 20. Firstly, changing your diet. Eat a healthy, nutritious diet to help your body grow. 2. Incorporate more protein into your diet. For instance, you might eat yogurt at breakfast, tuna fish for lunch, chicken at dinner, and string cheese as a snack. 3. Eat an egg every day if you're not allergic to them. 4. Consume a serving of dairy each day to support your growth. For example, drink 8 fluid ounces, 240 ml, of milk. 5. Take calcium and vitamin supplements if your doctor says it's okay. 6. Maintain good posture to show your full height. Practice standing, walking, and sitting to master good posture. 7. Exercise 30 minutes daily for healthy bones and muscles. 8. Get a good night's sleep every night so your body can repair itself. 9. Treat illnesses as soon as you feel sick because they slow your growth. 10. Visit your doctor if you're concerned that you're shorter than average. 11. Lie down and stretch out with both arms over your head. 12. Do upper body twists while lying down on your back. Lie down on the floor or an exercise mat. 13. Lie down, reach above your head, and lift your hips off the floor. 14. Lie on your stomach and extend your arms and legs.